This is my back office. And if I come up here to the apps, these are all the apps they have. Over here, they have the website builder. They have a funnel builder, chat builder. You can have a chat on your website. Webinar builder. You can make a webinar. E-learning. You can build your own course. They have a directory booking builder. You can do the booking for your whatever for your appointments. They can integrate with WordPress, WooCommerce, WooCommerce. Okay, they have WhatsApp automation tool. Mailing Boss 5.0 is your email marketing, and that's your email list. They're gonna your email autoresponder and all of that. The Mailing Boss, really great stuff. They're really powerful. This by itself is worth what you pay for the whole tool. All right, this and the website builder both together. Custom emails, WhatsApp, Launch Manager, Social Proof. Anyway, there's 40 different tools you can use. Great tools. But I wanted to show you. It's all-in-one marketing system, has a bunch of tools. I'm going to go through the tools really quick, but I just want to show you the prices that they are today. Okay, so the starter is $37 a month, and that's with one domain, 3 subdomains, 2,000 subscribers. Marketer plan, a little bit bigger, 3 domains. Most people have the premium plan, okay? It's got the $87 a month, and then you got the Funnel Club, which is also $87 a month, and you get everything in there. If you want to get the Funnel Club, you might as well get the Funnel Club, but we'll look more into that, all right? Because we're affiliate marketers, and we're into promoting other people's products. So and these are tools that marketers need. And the key is once they start using these tools, they make their website, they start making their email list, they start making money online using these tools, they keep using these tools. So what you're going to do is you're going to promote this tool. You're going to promote Builderall like I am, right? And I'm going to show you very simply how easy it is to make passive income, okay? I'm going to slip up top here, all right? So let's say how many sales can you make in a year? So how many sales? Now it's a 2-tier program. So when you bring people into Builderall, 2 tiers. So the tier you bring in and the people you bring in, the people they bring in, 2 tiers, right? You'll get affiliate commissions off of them, and that's so you help people when they join, so that you help them to get started. All right. So how many sales could you make in a year? Let's say you're a terrible salesman and you make 1 sale a week. So you make 52 sales in a year. We're going to say this is a year later after you start. Everything takes time, right? So after a year, residually, every month from those 52 sales, you're making $1,200 every month. You don't have to do anything to be making $1,200. All right. Now, let's say out of those 52 people, now some of them are going to want to do the same thing, promote Builderall as well, and earn the commissions, right? They're going to be using the tools. They're going to keep the tools. They're going to be using the tools. They're going to be making money with the tools, with their website builders, with their email order responders, their campaigns, their funnels, and all of that. They start making money. They keep the tool. Okay, these people don't drop the tool. They keep it, right? But how many of them are going to want to promote it too? They're all affiliate marketers. They're all digital marketers. A good percentage of them are going to want to promote it. But let's say it's not a big percentage. Let's just say it's 15. All right. So 15 people are on your team. Now, whoever they bring in, you're going to get commissions on their stuff. So how many things you were a terrible salesman. You did 1 sale a week, 52 sales in a year. Let's say they do 1 sale a month. So they do 1 sale a month each for that first year. So now after the year's over, residually, you're bringing home $5,500. Residually, you don't have to do anything else. As long as this team sticks together, these 15 people are making 12 sales a year, and the 52 people, as long as you keep those numbers, you're going to be making $5,500. And people do not quit the program because they're people making money with the program, right? And of course, these numbers are ridiculously low. You're gonna have more than 15 people want to promote it. They're gonna get more than 1 sale a month, and you're gonna get more than 1 sale a week, right? Pretty simple, but the math is pretty easy to understand when you break it down simply. So $5,500 from this small amount of numbers. Okay, now what do you think? You have until the 15th, so basically the 14th midnight, right? So decide. Use the link jimtmullen.com. jimtmullen.com will get you there. All right. And if you use Save 50, you'll get 50% off your first month. And if you get in before the 15th, you'll be grandfathered in because the prices are going up on the 15th. Okay. So every carpenter needs a hammer. Every digital marketer needs tools. They need a website builder. They need email marketing. They need an autoresponder. They need these tools. Okay. And it's all right here for you. All right. Hope that helped. Leave any questions down below, and I'll be glad to answer them. We're under time constraints here, so I'll be as quick to respond as I possibly can.